If you want your home's heating and cooling to run smooth, knowing the key air conditioner parts and what they do is clutch. So, first off, the air filter is like the unsung hero. It keeps dust and junk from clogging up your system, which is super important for both your furnace and air conditioner. Next up, the blower motor is the thing that actually moves air through your home, whether it's warm or cold air, so if it's acting up, you're gonna notice fast. The control board is basically the brain, making sure everything fires up at the right time and runs like it should without frying your system. If you want to keep your AC and furnace running long term, change that air filter every 1 to 3 months depending on how dusty your place is. Also, clean out any debris around outdoor AC units so airflow stays strong and efficient. When you hear weird noises or smell odd things from your system, do not ignore it. Could be a motor or electrical issue creeping in. Regular checkups by a pro can save you loads of money down the line by catching problems early. And don't forget to keep vents clear inside your house so air can flow freely and not make your system work harder than it needs to. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their heating and cooling systems is neglecting the air filter. Dirty filters block airflow and make your system overheat or freeze up, so swap them out regularly. Another common issue is ignoring blower motor problems. If it sounds rattly or weak, have it checked before it quits altogether because replacing it can be pricey. The third snag folks hit with is control board failures, often from electrical surges or poor maintenance. If your system won't start or runs erratically, this part might need a reset or replacement by a technician. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about heating and cooling systems. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for reliable experts, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.